This video will explain what is sum insured in health insurance. Sum insured is the maximum amount that the insurance company will pay for your medical expenses in one policy year. That's all. It is your total financial protection limit. Now we will see the example. You buy a health insurance plan with sum insured 5 lakh. This means the insurance company will pay hospital bills up to 5 lakh in 1 year. If your total medical expenses in that year are 2 lakh, then it is fully covered. 5 lakh, then it is fully covered. If it is 7 lakh, then you pay extra 2 lakh. Why sum insured is important? Your sum insured decides how much protection you have. Higher sum insured means more medical costs covered, less money from your pocket. Lower sum insured means protection finishes faster. Now we will see how it works in real life. Case 1. One hospitalization. Sum insured 5 lakh, hospital bill 3 lakh, insurance company pays 3 lakh, remaining cover for that year is 2 lakh. Case 2. Multiple hospitalization in same year. Sum insured is 5 lakh, first treatment 2 lakh, second treatment 1.5 lakh, total used is 3.5 lakh, remaining cover is 1.5 lakh. You have to understand sum insured resets every year. What is policy year? A policy year is a 12 month from your policy start date. After renewal, your full sum insured becomes available again. Now we will see the difference between individual and family floater plan. In case of individual plan, each person gets their own sum insured. For example, you will get 5 lakh and your spouse will get 5 lakh. Both have separate coverage. In case of a family floater plan, the sum insured is shared by all family members. For example, family floater is 10 lakh. If one person uses 6 lakh, remaining for whole family is 4 lakh. What happens if sum insured is exhausted? When the full amount is used, insurance stops paying for that year. You must pay from your pocket, unless your policy has restore benefit. The restore benefit gives you extra cover automatically after the first amount is used. Now we will see how much sum insured you should choose. For beginners, the coverage should be based on city you live in, hospital cost, family size, and medical inflation. Today, many people choose minimum 5 lakh to 10 lakh, higher for metro cities. Common mistake beginners make: choosing a low sum insured to save premium. This is risky because medical treatment is expensive, coverage may not be enough. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.